Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are talking Florida strawberries. One of my absolute favorite. You know, Florida strawberries are available December through April. So today we are going to use our Florida strawberries in a wonderful dish. We are going to make Florida strawberry key lime tart. One of my absolute favorites, and the strawberries with their sweetness and just a tiny bit of tartness is going to play really well with the key limes and all the citrus that we're going to put in this dish. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and take our melted butter. We're just going to pour it right in to our ground graham crackers. What we want to do is just stir this up a little bit to kind of get it coated. We're also going to go ahead and add a little bit of natural Florida sugar as well, and continue to stir this around and make sure that melted butter is fully incorporated into these graham cracker crumbs. So we're just going to add our graham cracker crumbs to our tart pan, and we're just going to work this graham cracker crust down through the bottom. All right, this is looking good. So we're just going to put it in our preheated oven at about 350 degrees for about 5, maybe 7, 8 minutes, just till it gets slightly golden brown. So our graham cracker crust is in the oven, cooking away, and now it's time to make our filling. First thing I want to do is go ahead and add my egg yolks to my sweetened condensed milk. And at the same time, we can go ahead and pour in our key lime juice. But we're not done with this. We need to add some more flavor. So the best way to get flavor in here is gonna be to zest some of our citrus. Now I've got some Persian limes here. I've got some Florida oranges and a Florida grapefruit. So we're gonna use a little bit of each of these to add some great flavor to our strawberry key lime tart filling. Our Florida strawberry key lime tart is cooling off in the refrigerator so that we can top it with our wonderful Florida strawberries. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and make our glaze for those strawberries. I've got a little bit of wonderful orange marmalade here. This is just gonna go into the pan. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water to that. And we're just gonna let this cook down, and it's gonna make a really nice glaze and add some wonderful flavor to the top of our strawberries. So we just wanna give this a little stir. Our Florida strawberry key lime tart has come out of the refrigerator after it's chilled just a little bit. It's set up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and take our sliced strawberries. I'm just gonna have fun kind of making a pattern. Then I'm gonna take a little pastry brush here. I just kind of wanna work this on these strawberries. It's gonna give a nice little glaze, make them nice and shiny as well. So our Florida strawberry key lime tart is done now. We've done the filling, the crust. We've garnished it with these wonderful sliced Florida strawberries. And remember, they are in season from December to April, so make sure to go check it out. We're just gonna garnish with a little bit of powdered sugar. And I hope everybody has fun with this wonderfully delicious recipe. And in the meantime, remember, keep cooking.